and welcome to EMS for SOLIDWORKS tips and tricks. In this video, I will show you how to select any SOLIDWORKS dimension as a geometry parameter which you can then use in EMS simulation. To create a parameter, you first need to go to the sketch that contains the dimension. In this particular example, the sketch that I'm interested in is inside one of the parts of the assembly. So I go to the edit sketch and there I'm exposing all the sketch dimensions. Now imagine that I would like to create a parameter which really refers to the dimension between the bottom of the magnet and the top of the shield, and that in our sketch has a value of 4.5 as you see in the screen. To define a parameter, what you need to do is go to the EMS manager, right click on the topmost folder and select parameters. The EMS parameters dialog box opens. Now you can go to the screen and select the sketch that you are interested in. And EMS parameters dialog box automatically fills the name of the dimension that you want to treat as a parameter. When you say OK, the parameter is created. Now you can go ahead and exit out of the sketch, and I'm going to quickly show you how this parameter comes up in a study. So when you create a study, for example, we create a magnetostatic study and then we select parameterization. Now when I go to the design scenarios, I automatically find the parameter that I created here. So now I can put various values for this parameter, and then I can do my simulation of my study so that I can see how the magnetic field, forces, etc. vary as a function of this parameter. Thank you for watching this video.